How to import pictures and videos in CapCut Desktop. Importing pictures and videos in Windows or Mac is super easy, and here is a quick guide to help you get started. So first of all, open or launch CapCut Desktop on a Windows PC or Mac. Then simply click on New Project to start a new edit. Here you can also drag a drop the photo or video directly into the media section in CapCut, or you can tap on the plus icon available there, import. Then choose the photos or videos from your device, and then simply tap on the import option available at the bottom right. And after importing, your media will appear in the media library. Now once it appears, you can drag your photo or video to the timeline at the bottom to start editing. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.